Hey guys, welcome to Cody. In this episode, we will see how to get Git repository ready for work on your local system. So without wasting any time, let's get started. You can obtain a Git repository in one of the two ways. You can take a local repository that is currently not under version control and turn it into the Git repository. Or you can clone an existing Git repository from GitHub, Bitbucket, GitLab, or any such platforms. So now let's see how to initialize a repository in existing directory. If you have a project directory that is currently not under version control and you want to start controlling it with Git, you first need to go to that project directory. In my case, it is Git workspace and then test. And check the files present in this directory by doing ls and a, where -a is for do not ignore entries starting with dot. Now we just have a test.py and a two dot directories. And let's quickly initialize the Git by doing git init. Here you can see we have a message called initialize empty Git repository in this workspace. So when I do ls-a this time, you can see that we have a .git directory here, which contains all the information that is necessary for your project in version controlling. So when I do git status this time, you can see that it says test.py is untracked, and let's quickly add this file. And when I do status this time again, then it shows me changes to be committed. First of all, let's see that how many commits I have done on this repository by doing git log. And now you can see does not have any commits yet. So let's make a commit first, where git commit is the command and -m is for the message. So init is my message for this commit. When I do git commit, it says that one file is changed and one insertion. When I do git log this time, you can see that we have a commit here with the hash code, date, and then author. We will cover these commands and these concepts in upcoming videos. At this point, we have a Git repository with tracked file and initial commit. Now let's check out the second method, that is cloning an existing repository. In the previous episode, we have seen that how to create repository on a GitHub. I will share the link in the description. In this case, you just need to get the URL of the repository, where this is the demo repository I have created. So to get the URL, you need to click on this code, and here is a URL of this particular demo repository. You can see https://github.com, my user account, and then the demo.git. So just copy this thing, just go back to the Git workspace and then git clone and paste the URL here and hit enter. Now here you can see the cloning into demo. It will download and make a clone in your local system. Let's change the directory to the repository, that is demo here. And when I do ls-a this time, you can see that git init is already present there, which means that we have a Git repository in our local system after cloning. And whenever I do any change in these repository, it will get tracked. That's it for this video. Please like, share, subscribe to get the notification of the latest videos, and don't forget to write comments. Thank you so much.